Hello and welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to learn the important aspect about firewalls. Firewalls is a device of layer 3 that you can use to allow traffic coming in and coming out of your network based on a specific criteria. The most common criteria is the source, destination, protocol, or port number. In order for a firewall to be successful, it needs to be managed in a way that you can understand your network and your system infrastructure in a better approach. Why? Because nowadays technologies use firewalls with flat configuration, meaning they leave the default admin password for the management interface. They don't disable the unused port in the firewall, and penetration attackers like hackers inside of your company, they may have the knowledge about IT, but you don't know because they work in another departments. And you think that people from other departments like accounting or finance or lawyers, they don't have a knowledge of how to interrupt in a system. But this is a big mistake. Nowadays, we need to be very careful when it comes to protect our network and our workstations. The firewalls that is sitting between your outside world, right? This is your LAN and you have an internet access here. So let's say you don't want anyone from the internet accessing the local files in your LAN. For this, you need to have a firewall saying that any traffic coming from the internet cannot access the files in your local network. However, you can set up a DMZ, which means some traffic can be allowed, like using public HTTP server. But first you need to access your corporate firewall here, and then you can access to the DMZ to access those resources. However, you have another firewall in place here to protect your local LAN network. And this is the best practice, to have two redundant firewalls,